I'm gonna show you how I make aloe vera gel to use on my scalp and to use on my natural hair to maximize growth and stimulate hair return. I'm currently suffering from alopecia, and this can really help if you're suffering from excessive shedding, if you're suffering from alopecia or any hair loss. And this is gonna really help. It's gonna make a big difference. So without further ado, what we'll do is go ahead and go through the process. So I have aloe vera, which you can buy from eBay. Okay, so I already prepared what I'm gonna be using. I have vitamin E. Okay, so it can be used for skin and overall body nourishment. Okay, so I'm gonna add some vitamin E to my aloe vera. And then I have tea tree oil, so it's 100% pure essential oil. Okay, so it's gonna give it a nice scent. And then here's what I've gone ahead and I hope I'm in the camera, I didn't check. Okay, so this is what I've gone ahead and did. I peeled my aloe vera to get rid of the green part. So now I'm just gonna pour it in here. Doesn't matter how much you use your own discretion to decide how much you'll make. Okay, and then I'm gonna restore it back in this plastic container and put it in the fridge. Okay, so anyway, I'm about to start a challenge, and I'm gonna be using this quantity that I'm using both on my hair and my daughter's hair for a week. And then once Sunday rolls back again, I'm just gonna make another batch. Okay, so here I just put a couple of drops. I'm not measuring with a teaspoon or anything. So then I'm gonna go ahead and open my vitamin E oil. I mean, this is the tea tree oil. I wanted peppermint oil as well, but I couldn't find it, so I just went with the tea tree oil. Wow, I don't know if you guys could see. Okay, we're just gonna put a couple of drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I think that should do it. Okay, just a couple of drops, and I'm gonna still. Ooh, it's a nice aroma, so it smells very nice. So then put the top on and go ahead. Woohoo! There we go, pretty amazing. So there you have it, guys. The scent is amazing. Okay, from the tea tree oil, it's just amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the channel for you guys, and I hope you'll find it helpful. Okay, you're just gonna do that until you get all of it out. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, right here is what I have. I don't know how many cups it is, but this is supposed to last me all week. And if you want to see a video on how I apply it, you can leave a comment on the in the comment section, and I will make one to show you how I use it. And this is gonna be stored in my fridge, and when I'm applying it to my hair, I'm just gonna do it cold. I'm not gonna warm it up or anything. I might just take it out a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes before I apply it to my hair, and that's gonna be it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and good luck with growing your hair back and maximizing your hair growth. Okay, bye bye.